Unlocking your dream home in Ontario with no middlemen and saving on agent fees, it's not just a dream. Today, I'll guide you through every step to make this your reality. Stay tuned as we dive deep into the secrets of buying your home independently in Ontario. Welcome, future homeowners. I'm Matthew, your navigator through the fascinating world of Ontario real estate. Well, agents have their perks. Some of you brave souls are ready to venture solo, and why not? I'm here to guide you. Let's start off by asking yourself, why are you buying? A lifelong home, a short-term stay, an investment? Your reason will shape your journey and financial decisions. Let's embark on this exciting path right now. Before we get into the steps, understanding the legal and financial intricacies is crucial. In Ontario, the journey begins with your deposit, which is part of your down payment and should be readily available funds. Be cautious. Withdrawing from this deal could mean losing your deposit. Next is your down payment. This is where your bank or mortgage broker comes into play. They're your allies in figuring out what you can afford based on your home's purpose, like we talked about earlier. Remember, your mortgage needs to align with your life plans. Then, there's land transfer tax, calculated based on your home's location and price, going towards emergency services and the school services in your area. Also, don't forget the home inspection to ensure everything's up to standard, and the appraisal fee, often required by lenders. And always check the property survey. It's crucial for verifying the home structure. You don't want to make things your problem in the future. Property insurance is non-negotiable. You should always be protecting your investment. Discuss HST taxes with your accountant. They're not always applicable, but crucial to understand. Legal and lawyer fees also are inevitable for title transfers and other legalities. Your lawyer is your legal compass, keeping them close and in your pocket. Finally, consider closing adjustments for utilities and accounts, and don't overlook moving fees. Whether it is a big move or a small one, it's part of the process. Before we move on, if you have found any of these insights useful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Your first step is always getting a mortgage pre-approval. This shapes your budget and guides your market exploration. You can either go to your bank or your credit union, although I'd prefer to seek out a trusted mortgage broker to find you the best rate that fits your financial goals. Ontario's real estate market is as varied as its landscapes, from the vibrant streets of Toronto to the tranquil lakesides. Currently, the market's dynamics are ever-changing. Use resources like realtor.ca or my app in the resources below for real-time data and sold property prices. While market trends are unpredictable, understanding them helps you make smart choices. But remember, we're navigating without an agent, so keep your wits about you. Finding your perfect property is a mix of excitement and diligence. Open houses are your windows into potential homes. If you choose to view privately, remember, the listing agent's allegiance is to the seller. Conduct your own inspections. Check the sinks, check the toilets, foundations, and roofs. Ask about the property's age, what's included, and any exclusions. And always ask about any material latent defects that could be wrong with the property. Keep your must-haves, needs, and wants in mind, and trust your judgment. This phase is all about matching your dream with reality. Ready to make an offer? This is where strategy meets paperwork. First, gather all the information you can from the listing agent. Be direct, seek clarity, do your own comparative market analysis. It's key in deciding your offer price. Now, draft your offer with conditions that protect your interests. Financing, inspection, deposit clauses are all vital. Have a lawyer review your offer for peace of mind. Once you're ready, communicate with the listing agent on how to submit your offer. Be prepared for negotiations. Offers can be rejected or countered. If your offer is accepted, you enter the critical phase of fulfilling conditions. This is high stakes. Ensure everything is meticulously completed. Make sure to be in close contact with the listing agent to schedule dates for inspections and fulfill or waive conditions. Once your offer is firm, as in no more outstanding conditions, your lawyer will handle the title and other legalities. Closing day is when your dream materializes. Your lawyer will guide you through the final steps, and soon you'll be picking up your keys, which are often left in a lockbox for you. And just like that, you've bought a home in Ontario, all by yourself. And that's how you master the market in Ontario, buying your dream home independently. It's a journey of empowerment and discovery. Remember, the road to success might have its share of hurdles, but it's crucial to keep a clear head. Don't let emotions steer your journey. Stay focused on what's right for you, and you'll always make the smartest choices. And that's how you master the market in Ontario, buying your dream home independently. And share your journey in the comments. Bad or good? Curious about selling a home without an agent? Let me know below. We can make a video about that too. Check the description for more resources and our detailed questionnaire to align your real estate ventures with expert advice completely for free. Here's to your success in Ontario's vibrant market. Now that you're equipped to buy your dream home in Ontario without an agent, what's next? Well, stick around because we're about to take a turn into an exciting realm where real estate meets gaming. Imagine navigating property markets in a virtual world where strategies from games can unlock secrets in real-world real estate. Make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications because you won't want to miss this unique blend of gaming and real estate insights coming up next. For those of you ready to take on the next step in your real estate journey, how to sell your home without an agent is just around the corner. We'll dive into the strategies, tips, and tricks to make sure you get the best deal on your property all on your own. So keep an eye out and let's master the art of selling together.
I'm sorry, I wasn't listening.